Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you. It's gonna be my second video. Now I need to go and get myself a drink in front of Nottingham. I think I'm gonna go to Nottingham Canal Pub. I think it's gonna be the best place to go and get a drink anyway. That is what I'm going to do. This place is if you want to have a drink, you can get yourself a drink here. I think today is not that busy. Let me see whether I can go to Nottingham Canal Pub to get a drink anywhere. If you're first time to come to Nottingham, there's a lot of places you can go and get yourself a drink, you know. Some places open in the afternoon, some places open in the evening. So this place we're going now is one of the places you can go to get yourself a drink. I think it's quite busy today here. I don't know, it's quite busy. I think a lot of people probably hanging around most of the places. Let's just get ourselves a drink. All right, get a drink probably in one of these pubs and see what is going on. I think that's what we're going to do, you know. So this place is on the other side of the pub. You can easily decide to have a drink on this side, or you can decide to have a drink on this side as well. So I was thinking that it's gonna be absolutely busy today, but if you look at here, people are here, not much people as I thought it's gonna be. We'll find a place to sit somewhere. That's what we're going to do. We'll find a place to go somewhere. You know. The weather is absolutely very, very warm. So I would even decided to come. All right, how you doing? Good. Can I have I don't know what to have now. Cider is do you do cider? Eh?
Yeah, we've got the cold river cider.
Yeah, can I have a glass of a pint of cider anyway? A pint of cider, yeah.
Is that everything?
Yeah, that's it. That's it. So remember, a lot of people do come here to have a drink. If you come here to have a drink, you have to be able to. It's not busy. If you look around the place is quite a little bit not busy today. I don't know why it's not busy inside the pub here. Probably because of a lot of people have spent all week, you know, just they have spent all their week and then doing something else, you know, you know. The weather is too warm, very, very warm anyway. Wow. Card, right. Why, this place is too quiet, isn't it? Why is that?
I'm not sure.
I think because of it being so warm, isn't it? People get bored. They don't want to go anywhere anymore. You know. All right. All right. Okay. So, hi, all right. So I think I'm just gonna go outside there. If I can find somewhere to sit. It's not, all right. How you doing? Good. Good? All right. If I can find somewhere to sit and, how you doing? All right. Let me see. Okay, guys, so let me explain things for you guys, what is going on here, I think because of the weather is actually very, very warm. So because of the weather is very warm, so a lot of people have decided that they're not gonna be able to be inside the city. That's number one, So there's no need of you coming out inside the city to spend your time inside the city if the weather is absolutely warm. I wouldn't do it. I wouldn't encourage anybody to do it, to come out inside the city when the weather is absolutely red hot. So I'm just having a glass of cider. I'm just having a glass of cider. But actually, I was thinking that this place is gonna be absolutely busy, I was thinking that place is gonna be absolutely busy. A lot of people is gonna be inside the city center probably just to spend their time, to have a drink and all those different things. But it's not like that anyway because people didn't come out, So if you look around the place, let me show you a little bit of the place. If you look around the place and you find out that not much people are here, I'm having a glass of cider. If you look on top there, you will see that it's not much people there. It's not much people there. So the heat and the summer, which is already going on in England here, probably have made a lot of people decided not to come out anyway. It's very, very warm. So the best thing for you to do is just to stay away from the heat. Stay away from the heat because it's warm. Probably think about something else to do and not to be able to get yourself in a position the weather is very warm. You can't go shopping by this time anyway. You can't go shopping. The best thing to do is to probably come out like this. You hang around somewhere. You have a couple of drinks and then you go home. It's Sunday. You would imagine thinking that today being Sunday, the weather is absolutely hot. It's gonna be a little busy. You're thinking that people are gonna come out from different type of places in Nottingham just to hang around the pub, but it's not like that. Just if you look around the place, you find out that the people here are not really much anyway. So the people are not much. But the difference between this canal pub is it's always when you come here, I wouldn't say their drink is cheap. It's not cheap. This is about £4 something. Their drink is not that cheap. I think if I use that £4 something, probably you will buy yourself almost 8 cans of cider from Aldi or something like that. You're gonna get yourself something like 8 cans of cider from Aldi. But it's not what you're going to look. You're gonna have to think about going out there where you could be able to talk to people as well, where you're gonna be in a place that also being around other people will be able to help you a lot, so you can easily have a little bit fun as well, But the drink is okay. It's quite a little bit cooler. Even though I'm sitting here, the sun is hitting me hard, If people who want to do what we call, you want yourself to get a suntan, yeah, you can do that. But for me, I don't need a suntan. I don't need sun to hit me so much. I had enough of it back in the day in Africa, so I'm having enough as well. But it's also good because you don't get this all the time. This is the best time we are enjoying this weather anyway. This is the best time we are enjoying this weather, as much as we are enjoying it. But guys, please guys, like the video, subscribe to the channel as well, and tell me what you think. Tell me what you think about the video. Enjoy yourself. Thank you.